Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily enable home screen animations on your Android device. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So basically, if you want to add animations on entering home screen whenever you unlock your Android phone, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So first of all, you'll have to go to the settings. You can either tap on this icon or you can swipe from the top corner and then tap on this gear icon. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to do scroll down until you find dynamic effects. You can tap on it or you can simply search on the top right corner in the search bar. Now once you have found dynamic effects, you'll have to choose the home screen entering animation after unlock, that is under ambient light effects. Tap on home screen entering and you'll find a bunch of different animations like this. The first one is like this, and then this, and there are 4 different animations right here like this. I'll choose this one and then tap on apply, and whenever you will unlock your Android device, it will be unlocked by with the same animations that you have applied. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.